Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in South Kashmir's Islamabad district, taking the toll of the martyrs to 5 during the past 2 days. Occupation forces killed the youth during a coordinated search operation in Bijbehara area of the district. The troops blocked all entry and exit points of the area and subjected the locals to huge inconvenience. The authorities suspended internet and mobile services in the area. Earlier, the occupation troops had killed 4 youth in Chogam Shopaya and Tral in Pulwama yesterday. The all-parties Hurriyat conference spokesman, while paying rich tributes to the victims of fake encounters in Shopaya, Pulwama, Islamabad and other parts of the territory, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that killings, arrests, tortures and molestation of women had become a normal in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He said that blood of Kashmiri martyrs had sent a loud and clear message to New Delhi that the Kashmiri people would not rest till they attain freedom from Indian yoke. Meanwhile, Indian forces raided the house of Jammu and Kashmir Mass Movement Vice Chairman Abdul Majid Mir in Karimabad area of Pulwama district, harassed the residents and arrested his nephew Shabir Ahmed Mir and transferred him to an unknown location. Spokesman of the organization, while condemning the incident, said that even in bitter cold, Indian state terrorism continued unabated and occupational forces could at any time snatch the right to life of any person and martyr him or push him behind the bars. 2 Indian policemen were injured in a grenade attack in Pulwama district today. The family members of a youth, Amir Magre, who was martyred by the Indian troops in the Haidarpura fake encounter on November 15th, staged a protest demonstration at Sangaldan in Ramban district. The family members were demanding his body for proper burial. The parents of an 8-year-old nomad girl who was brutally raped and murdered in Kotwa district of Jammu have expressed anguish over the release on bail of 2 among the 6 criminals. Talking to media, they said instead of hearing their appeal for enhancement of sentence against the culprits, the court has left 2 of them on bail in a crime that the court itself described as a devilish and monstrous. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, strongly criticizing the bail order, said the wheels of justice have completely collapsed in India. On the other hand, death of 5 prisoners in New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail under mysterious circumstances within 8 days has raised the alarm about the safety of top Kashmiri leadership, including APHC Chairman Masarat Alam Bhatt, Shabir Ahmed Shah, Mohammad Yasin Malik and Asiya Indrabi languishing in the jail. In India, along with Muslims, attacks on Christians have become a new norm. In yet another such incident, in the state of Haryana's Ambala, a statue of Jesus Christ was vandalized at a church this afternoon. According to NDTV, the country has seen a rise in cases of violence against religious minorities recently. Churches have been attacked and Christmas celebrations disrupted in many places. A Christmas carnival was disrupted at a Haryana private school by Hindu goons on Thursday.